Today we are making an underbust corset. Yes, that will be my bust line. So I'm going to take my bust measurement from there and go down and put my bust under bust, waist measurement and the hip line or the full length. So I mark those points as follows. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure my bust, divide by 4, then I'm going to get my nipple to nipple measurement. So my nipple to nipple measurement for this person was 4 inches. So I mark the 4 inches across all the lines and I mark them. After that, I'm going to put a waist dart of 1 inch. I come down on the bust line by 1 inch and come up from the hip line by 2 inches. Then connect those points together. Okay, so I'm going to take a nipple to nipple measurement again from the first dart, then mark that line like that and take a dart of 0.5 inches. This is just to snatch the waist. I'm not counting it, I'm just using that dart to snatch a bit in the waist. Yes, so that's our other dart. So now we are going to take our measurement. We are going to take our waist measurement. That's now the waist. You take your waist measurement plus 1 inch for the dart. You have to add another 1 inch for sewing allowance. Yes, so take your measurement plus 1 inch for the dart. On the hip line, you just take your hip measurement plus 1 inch for sewing allowance. So you connect your hip curve as it is supposed to be. So after that, I'm going to make my curves. I wanted to put a little bit of design on my corset. Remember that was the bust line. So I remembered later that I'm supposed to put it on the under bust line. So I designed it like that. You can make it straight, yours, you can make it curved, you can make it scallop, whichever way you like to design your corset is what you do. So now we are going to make the back part. So this is the back part. That is to separate the front from the back part. So that is our back part we are going to do. So I'm going to use whatever measurements I used on the front at the back. There I missed the measurement in the first place, but I replaced it later. So whatever you have on the back, on the front, you put on the back, because remember we are using the same measurement, waist divide by 4, hip divide by 4, and what bust divide by 4. So use the same measurements. It's not different like we do always when we are making a basic pattern. So I just take my bust measurement and put it here. Okay, and add just 1 inch for sewing allowance as I've indicated there. So whatever you used in the front is what you use in the back. The same thing, even the dart, as you take the dart in the front is the same way you take the dart in the back. So that was our dart, the first dart and the second dart. So I'm going to take my bust in my waist dart of 1 inch on the first dart, and then I'll take the second dart. There I had to correct a bit because I had mistaken the measurement. So now we are going to put in our dart. You impute your dart. The first dart was 1 inch. You impute it, go down from the bust line by 1 inch and make a dart of 1 inch, and this dart is 0.5 inches. So connect your points together like that. Okay, so after that I'm just going to match the line where I started to curve my corset. You can see there I just curved my lines like that. So you curve whichever way you like. If you want to it straight, make it straight. If you want a little bit of design, make it with a little bit of design. So it depends on what you want completely. And then even on the hip line, we do the same thing. You design your corset as you want. If you want it straight, I said again, just make it straight. Yes. So that was how I did my corset. Now I'm going to come on that line and take 1 inch as well on the underbust line. So that is the back and the other one is the front. So I'm going to cut out like that and then separate my pattern. So I mark those points and mark them like that to know where to join the points, and there I'm just indicating where my eyelets are supposed to be. So I divide my corset like that, and when I'm cutting my corset, I put the interfacing on the fabric. I interface my fabric first, then cut the patterns out. You cut the lining part and you cut the main fabric. So you're supposed to cut the front unfold, remember that. So you cut out all your pieces, the main fabric and the lining pieces together. So I cut out everything like that. So we meet in part 2.